Hey, what's happening? This your boy KR with more great content. Check this out. I want to introduce you to the MPC Text and Ad Machine Pro. This thing is amazing. It's going to help you to create great ads for social media sites such as Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, as well as help you to create great emails. If you're doing email swipes or you're doing email marketing, this is going to be powerful, as well as text messages. This is going to create those great text messages that you need over there at MPC Text to get paid, right? Get paid to text over there at MPC. This is going to help you to create those text messages that's going to blow people's mind and get you earning. If you've ever looked, right, if you've ever been looking for an easy way to make money working from anywhere in the world, you are at the right place at the absolute right time. You're only moments away from earning $300 to $500 per day with this amazing copy and paste tool. The only thing you're going to do is follow simple steps and procedures, and you're going to be creating great ads and great posts. When I tell you how easy this is, you're not going to believe it until I show it to you right now. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is click right here, and you're going to go over here to the how it works, because you want to do a little read. You want to learn how it is that this thing works, and then dive directly into it and start making it happen, right? So when you do your quick read over here on how it works, the next thing that you want to do is you want to go to text ads, because it's time to create that ad, guys. It's time to create that great ad, guys. That is what it's all about, creating these great ads and these great posts so that you can start earning. So what you're going to do is do a little learning here. First of all, understand that great ads, great posts consist of two components: headlines and text and ad bodies, right? And we're providing you with these over here on this particular site. This is going to be yours when you join the system and you set up your system for $25. When you get set up, you're going to have this. Now, as you go down and look, it tells you how to do it, but I'm going to walk you through it, okay, so you know. So first thing you want to do is grab a great headline. I'm going to do that. I'm doing this in real time to show you how quick you can create great ads. So let's say, for instance, let's do this one. I like this one right here, number 9. Earn $200 to $1,000 every day. So what you do, you're going to grab it, you're going to copy it. As soon as my computer say yeah, it's going to copy it for me. We're going to grab it and we're going to copy that thing, okay? One moment, let's see here. Come on, girl, let me copy it. All right, there you go. So I'm going to copy it right now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here to this great tool that we have. It's called Ad Lab. So over here at Ad Lab is where I create my ad at. So at Ad Lab, it also tells you how to do it. You can read this when you get on Ad Lab, but I'm just showing you it's real easy. So I'm going to put my header here, right? I'm going to put my header right here by pasting it in. So now I'm going to paste it. That is my header. Earn $200 to $1,000 every single day. Now that's going to stay there. It's not going anywhere. I'm going to go back over here. I'm going to go back to text ad. And now that I have my header, I'm going to go down to my second component. Look at all those great headers, guys. Woo, 91 headers. That ain't bad. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my ad, right? So let's find a good ad here. Cash paid every day. Easy, 200 or more per day. All you need is 30 minutes each day to do it. That's a great ad right there, right? Very, very good ad. You know, let's keep looking down. They got some great ones. Right, I like this one here. This is good. Let's highlight this one. Let's grab this ad right here. Come on, computer. What are you doing? Here we go. And then leave a comment, right? So now, we all know that when you see something that say leave a comment, we're talking about something that's happening on social media sites like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. So bam, we're going to grab that. Then we're going to go back up, guys. Watch this. I'm doing this in real time. It takes less than a few minutes. Boy, that's a lot of ads. I love it. Okay, so bam, we're going to go here. We're going to go right back over where it says Ad Lab. You're going to click on Ad Lab, and on Ad Lab, you're going to scroll down. You see your text still here? So what you're going to do, right, you're going to put it, you know, you like to make it look good. You want it to look hot, so when they come in. So bam, I'm going to do that and go down one space because I want to make sure they know my my heading from my ad body. So here goes my body. I'm pasting that in. Bam, it's created. You see that? There's my total ad right there. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to copy this. Whoop. Go over here to Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, wherever you're putting it at. Copy it. See how I created that? You didn't even have to make it up. It's done already. Then if I want to go to Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, I will simply go, let me delete it. I'm going to show you something. I'm going to go to Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, act like this is my Facebook post. I will go right here and click paste. Bam. You see it's right there? It's right there, guys. All I got to do then is hit that send button, send it up there. My ad is created. It's up. People are seeing it. I could even add a great little picture to it, right? Because we have some photos that you're going to be getting. Some good, we call them banner ads, right? Let me show you what a banner ad look like. So now you just saw me do that, right? How easy was that? How easy was that? Now let's go to the banner ads. So when you go to banner ads, we have some good ones over here, right? Because what you're promoting right now, if you're promoting this system itself, you're going to make $25 every time. So you're going to have these great banners right here that you can post with your ad you just created, because these are pretty much saying what that ad was about, right? That is amazing, guys. So that means that this is copy and paste. It's nothing to it but to do it. Get your $25 up, join this great system, and then you're going to start sending out those amazing text messages, guys. That's what this is all about. When somebody responds to this, when they respond to that ad you put up, we have the text already prepared that you're going to be sending to them, that's going to be inviting them to join our texting community. Everything is already prepared. All you're doing is copying and pasting and getting paid $25 over and over. And when they pay you the $25, you're going to just simply tell them to send an email to a certain email account, right? Let's go to this, guys. You really need to see this. Now, this is where you're going to see inquiry responses. When somebody asks for information, the only thing that you're going to do is send them this information, because we already have it pre-written. I hope that you're ready to get paid. You see, we have it already written out for you guys. You're going to copy everything that you need to be copying. For this, when you're selling this particular system, everything is here. The videos are up, everything is up. You don't have to really worry about doing anything but sending them this. You just copy which one you want. Thanks for requesting more information on my ad. What we've created is a simple way for people to make very good income, working right from the comforts of their own home. To better help you to understand how you can start making money today, click the link below and watch the brief little 10-minute video. You see that? Bam, everything is already here for you. You send that to them. You're done, and all you're doing is waiting on them to respond back and say, yes, I'm interested. Yes, it sounds really nice. Yes, I want to get in the game. Bam, let me pay my $25 and I'm done, right? That's if you're promoting this, it's going to work amazing for you. If you're over there with MPC and you're working with the MPC text to get paid or paid to text, this thing is amazing, because this is what they're promoting in the back office. This is what people is getting when they're sending that text message out, and they're getting this great system for $25. So that means that you are making now $25 per text. Let me say that again. This is what's plugged into the back of the MPC system, paid to text. That means that you're going to be receiving $25 per text message that you send out using this system when they convert. Guys, this is amazing. Imagine sending out 5, imagine sending out 10, imagine sending out 20. But let me show you a great compensation plan for this particular system. This thing is amazing, guys. Watch this. Let's say, for instance, send out 5. This is daily posts, right? You post 5 and somebody respond, you get 5 people converting at $25 for this system. That's $125 for that day. If you're doing that every day, just sending out, I'm going to tell you, when you do one of these ads, you're going to get 4 or 5 people on just one ad. So you got to realize, on one ad, I'm getting 4 or 5 people, right? So that's $125, guys. That's per day. That's $875 per week. That's $3,500 per month from simply sending out little ads on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and sending text messages. If you're working with MPC paid to text, you're already going to be making crazy money, because everybody want to use their mobile device to start making money with. So you're going to make crazy money. Imagine $3,500 a month. But let's get a little deeper. What if you send out 10 and 10 people convert, right? At 25 each, that's $250 per day. You want to set your mark. You want to say, I'm going to get 10 in per day. That 10 a day, that's $250 per day. That's $1,750 per week, with an amazing $7,000 per month, guys. $7,000 per month from texting. And this tool is creating all of the messages that you're sending, so it's a no-brainer. Let's go a little bit deeper. What if it was 20? What if 20 people converted at that 25 each? That's $500 per day, guys. Daily income, right? $3,500 for the week, $14K for the month. What did you do to get 14K for the month? Absolutely nothing, but came over here, click right here, went over here where it says text ads, went down here and created an ad, threw that boy up on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or sent it out through a text message, however you want to do it. Guys, you're making money doing absolutely nothing. And a lot of people say that, oh, you can't really get paid to text. Yes, you can. You better check with them over there at MPC Paid to Text. And if you're seeing this through their system, you're definitely in the right place at the right time, because they have this thing plugged into their system. So you guys will be making money and getting paid to text. So this is amazing, guys. I want to welcome you. Let me go back to the welcome page, because you need to see this, guys. Welcome to the team. I already know you're going to join. If you're coming in through the Paid to Text with MPC, I believe there's a couple more steps that you're going to hit down there, and you're going to be in. But one step that you definitely want to complete, you want to send that $25 payment to whoever's instructing you to send it to get this system. Get this system, get in here, and start making money today. This is your boy, KR, thanking you in advance for coming in. Thank you in advance for watching this brief presentation. I look forward to working with you with our Text and Ad Machine Pro, as well as Paid to Text over there with MPC. You guys have a great day and take care.